Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Adetolu and I'm super delighted to have you join me today. If you are a returning subscriber, I say thumbs up to you. Thank you for always returning and I hope you are gaining value. If you are new to my YouTube channel, I want to sincerely welcome you and also urge you kindly to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so that whenever I produce fantastic, life-changing videos like this, you would be instantly notified. And please remember, all of you, to give this video a like so that we can tell YouTube that this video is valuable and they will in turn send it to as many people that need to watch it and learn from it, just like you are doing. So today I will be sharing my thoughts on how I think you can earn money through the sales of digital products. Okay, you know, I've been consistently speaking about the three flows of money. One that has to do with how you make money, second, how you manage money, and then thirdly, how you multiply money. So in the course of my video subsequent interaction with you, I'll be sharing how or breaking down these three flows. But today I'll zero in on how you can earn more money or make more money by selling digital product. I learned this concept from Napoleon Hill, where he said that there is no such thing as nothing for something. Okay, if in other words, if you desire to earn X amount of money, you must make out a plan, for what you are going to exchange, in order to earn that money. In other words, what product or services are you going to produce, that you will give in exchange for the money equivalent that you desire. It is very important that we understand that you must sell something in order to earn money, be it in your place of work, be it in your business, be it in every sphere of life. There must be something valuable, something useful, something that solves other people's problems that you give in exchange for the money that you desire. So today, how to earn money by selling digital products. From Napoleon Hill, I also learned, that people will only pay you for the knowledge, that you have and have applied. They don't pay you for knowledge, but they pay you for the knowledge that you have, and you have used or applied, to get result. So this is the concept upon which I'm teaching or showing you how you can earn money via the sales of digital products. This is exactly what I do. I have products on seller that I sell. For instance, I sell my speaking services, I sell my coaching services, I sell my consultation services. All of those are packaged in the form of a product or service which I render to people out there. And round the clock, they earn me money consistently. And remember, I have a 9 to 5. Go back to the video I did last week. You would see how I explained the concept of active and passive income. See, any income that you earn which requires your presence and your time is going to limit your earning capacity. It means if you are not there and if your time is not invested, there will be no money for you. Hence, digital product becomes handy. And digital products is a product or a function of what you know, your knowledge. Put your knowledge together in an organized manner. What do you know that can solve other people's problems? Remember, I have told you that you must define what you are willing to exchange, for the money that you desire. And this something must be valuable, must be useful, okay, to the people that you intend to serve. So what knowledge do you have that can be packaged in the form of a solution? For instance, you can cook. For instance, you can wash better, and you can teach newlyweds, okay, how to maximize their time through washing that does not consume their time, that does not consume water, okay, that does not require so much of their energy. Can you put this knowledge together? Can you cook, okay, using very cheap ingredients, for instance, or readily available ingredients in the market, or natural source of ingredients? Can you plait hair? Okay, can you design a website for people? I used to do that. Okay, are you good at copywriting? Are you good at storytelling? Can you help people build their brand? I have worked in a marketing organization for close to 2 decades of my life. So I help individuals and organizations build their personal brand by telling their stories. I do this. It's a product that I have put together. Now, what can you put together? Put these items together. You can go to ChatGPT and discuss with ChatGPT. This is the idea that I have based on my experience, based on my knowledge. Now, can you put these together? Give me an outline for this. Maybe I want to do a 12 chapter, 10 chapter, 15 chapter, 20 chapter ebook for this. ChatGPT is going to give you the outline. Now, I do not recommend that you take everything verbatim from ChatGPT. I use ChatGPT and other software as my personal assistant. They can't tell my story as much as I can tell it. So, ChatGPT is going to give you the outline, okay? But the story is going to come from you. So, put your stories together. You can do this in 1 month. Okay. Now, when ChatGPT gives you the outline, you begin to put your story together. Now, once you are done putting your story together, you go to Canva, www.canva.com. Canva can design your book cover, or you go to Fiverr. Okay, for $5 you can get somebody that will design a unique book cover for you. Then I use Seller to sell my products. Go to seller.co, okay, to upload your product and make it available to the entire world. Then how do you begin to promote your product? You create an account on it could be Facebook, okay, it could be YouTube, it could be Instagram, and it could be TikTok. But I would advise and recommend that you pick one of these platforms where you think your target audience are domiciled, okay? Pick one of the platform. It could be TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, IG, Instagram. Pick any of those. Go there and consistently post a video. 3 times a day, post videos around your products. If you do hair, for instance, what are the best 5 tips you could give to a lady who is struggling to maintain her hair stature, for instance, or her hair quality? What 5 recommended a herbal recipe would you give a woman that wants to maintain her beauty in terms of her hair? Okay, so you consistently post this video with a link, okay, that directs these buyers to your seller page where they buy the product. And after they buy this product, you could even come up with a coaching services like I do. Okay, people who desire to be successful, they want to be successful financially, they want to be successful in their career, they want to be successful in their business. I coach them and I transform them into people who can attract the success that they deserve. I teach the concept that you don't pursue success. Instead, you attract success by the person you are becoming. This is the concept that I teach, okay? And I get people into, okay, my coaching triangle, and I help them unlock the success that is within them. So you could do the same. You could become a coach, you could become a consultant, and it's not just about ebook. Okay, you could do templates, you could do workbook, you could do courses. Okay, subsequently I'll be talking about courses. Okay, so this is one way you can make money online by selling your knowledge through digital products. And I hope you have learned something new or something insightful today. Please, it is not just about learning, but about implementing. I want to know in the comment section what you are going to do immediately you are done watching this video. I want you, by the time you are watching this video, to the next 30 days, I want you to tell me every day one action step you are going to take, and in 30 days you would be launching your products. And by the way, there are many platforms where you can launch. I told you about Seller. I use Seller, I use Paystack, I use Gumroad for my international audience, and there are so many of them. So should you want me to guide you, I'll leave a link to how you can reach me and how you can belong to my community, or you want to have access to my newsletter. I send out newsletter every Monday. The title of my newsletter is Success by Design. So I'll leave a link in the description of this video. Please endeavor to be a part of my community, and I assure you, 6 months, 12 months from today, your story is going to wow you. It's going to surprise you. Thank you once again for joining. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with everyone that needs to be successful. I'll see you in subsequent videos. Cheers, and I love you.